Good morning, kids. How are you? I hope all are safe and sound. Today, we are going to do chapter number 6, King Solomon's Wisdom. So, before starting with this chapter, I have a request to the parents. Please, बच्चों को होमवर्क करवाइए, उन्हें पढ़ने बिठाइए। 3 महीने हो गए हैं। पहला महीना काम किया, दूसरा किया, जैसे जैसे दिन जा रहे हैं बच्चे होमवर्क नहीं कर रहे हैं। Few students are doing regularly, but few are not doing. It's a request to the parents. Please ask your students to sit and study at least for 1 hour. पूरे दिन में at least 1 hour. छोटे हैं, ज़्यादा नहीं बिठाना, but at least they should know what they have to study, because as the school will reopen, it will be a burden for them to study. So it's a request. So let's get started with the chapter. Mother's love is unconditional. His consistent and real love is incomparable. Nothing can even replace a mother's love, for she is good and has a never-ending supply of love. Nothing comes closest to love that a mother has for her children. Mother shows her endless support and she does everything for the sake of her children. So इसमें क्या बोला है, माँ का जो प्यार होता है वो अनकंडीशनल होता है, उसको कंपेयर कोई नहीं कर सकता, ना उसे उसकी जगह कोई ले सकता है. सो उनका प्यार नेवर एंडिंग है. नथिंग कम्स क्लोज टू लव ऑफ दैट मदर हैज फॉर हर चिल्ड्रन. Just look at everything, what endless support she has. She do everything for the sake of the children. So here's the full form of mother also. M stands for million things she gives me. O, open-handed. T, tears she shed to save me. H, heart of purest gold. E, eyes with love's light shining. R, right and always be. So millions things she gives me, open-handed. Tears she shed to save me, heart of purest gold. Eyes with love, light shining, and right and always be. So this is the full form of mother. So let's get started with the story. It's a very short and a simple story. This is the of the famous Solomon. King Solomon is famous for his justice and wisdom. A huge crowd waits for the king. The king enters the court. राजा आते हैं तो long live our great king. That is going on. Who are these women whose baby is that? वो पूछते हैं. So next page में आ जाते हैं. My lord, my name is Sarah. The baby is mine. I am Annie, this baby is mine. Both the ladies used to say. So, great king, she is lying, this baby is mine. No, my lord, this woman took away my baby when I was sleeping. She put her dead baby beside me. So, Raja पूछते, can anyone throw light on the matter? Was there anyone present when the babies were born? So, 2 nurses came forward. My lord, I was with Annie when her baby was born 2 weeks ago, and I was with Sarah who gave birth at the same time. So, soldier, bring the pram to me and I will examine the baby. राजा बोलते हैं, pram आता है राजा के पास. He looked thoughtfully at the baby. So, well, here is the solution. Let the baby be given to both the women. Annie start crying. तो वो बोलते हैं, ऐसा कैसे हो सकता है, हम दोनों को मिलेगा. वो रोने लग जाती हैं. Both the women will pull the baby from either side. One will get the head, the other will get the legs, so they can share the baby half. So कौन? एनी बोलती है ओके आई एम रेडी फॉर द टेस्ट। सारा रोने लग जाती है। नो माई लॉर्ड, दिस टेस्ट विल हर्ट द बेबी, आई कांट सी माई बेबी इन पेन, प्लीज गिव द बेबी टू सारा। एनी बोलती है सारा को ही दे दो, एट लीस्ट ही विल नॉट डाई। मतलब ये सारा है, ये एनी है। तो एनी बोलती है कि नहीं नहीं, मेरे बच्चे को चोट लगेगी, नहीं मेरे बच्चे को चोट दर्द होगा, मैं नहीं देख सकती उसे रोते हुए, तो आप ये बेबी किसको दे दो? सारा को दे दो। द किंग इज ग्लैड to hear Annie's words. So, well, I know the real mother. Give the baby to Annie. Sarah is punished. So, what is the moral of the story? Mother's love is unconditional. So, this was the story. An easy story also. So, this is the exercise. I'll be giving the exercise and you will be doing in the book only, not anywhere else. So पूरी exercise आपको book में ही करनी है. So be safe at home and don't move out of your home unnecessary. Thank you.